Ake sibingelele ubaba udokotela babesizibawujabula mfana omdla jakhe ehlelo umzukulu wamncinci ekuyabanda namhlanje sithijela ama-jacket ayi-quality ama-shirt ayi-quality iyabanda nje le nto lena. Siyabonga kakhulu support esinayo ngazo zonke indlela, siyabonga siyathobeka kakhulu. Siyabonga nje kumele ukuthi sibonge ngoba abantu abaningi akwazi ukubonga awu-understand ukuthi how important it is. Kudlula imali, umuntu ungamnika imali but if unika imali ungakazi ungabongi into akusiza ngayo, it's all right. Carry on doing it because kuyakusebenzela. Ubaba udokotela usebhilidini ekuthiwa Nedbank House Building lapho ngizithoba khona ngehlela khona ngezansi. Kunalabo kabatheme ngikhuluma baba offended but it was not intended to be. We are not like that. I remember the other day I made a video about foreigners. Yeah, I made a video about foreigners. There's a guy in Limpopo. He's got a beard. He's always there. He's always there. He was fighting with Ngizwe and other stuff. And then he quoted my video whereabouts I said something about Shanganese. I fired my cameraman. Indeed, my cameraman was a foreigner. And then I didn't fire him. I asked him to leave. And then he left. And then I write. Oh, he left and I right. He didn't leave. He left and I right. Yeah, this is it. I'm not prejudiced about foreigners. Believe me, I'm not prejudiced. Unless anything that is illegal, then it's something illegal that is always prejudiced. But for a person who's documented with pro document now, how come? Because we got Mercedes-Benz for foreigners, Toyotas for foreigners, Coca-Cola for foreigners, Pepsi for foreigners. Yeah, and we still dwell comfortable to their products, but they're still foreigners. We as South Africans, we produce no car, not even a cell phone that we use. Whatever you see, the phone is for foreigners, Americans, Japanese. Just now we'll have phones from Shanganese as well because we got a Shangan car already. I'm just teasing you people, pushing around. Okay, let's correct the spelling. Babu Tokotela is based in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. The street name, it is Prixiseme. No, it is Dennis Halley. Dennis Halley, number 72, Dennis Halley, or number 30, Albert Street. Number 30, Albert Street, that is in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. Lapho Babu Tokotela zomthola khona. I used to be on the 19th floor, 1903 to 1904 to 1905, darkroom studio number 1. I have moved the studio and replicated it downstairs at 902. I repeat, I replicate it. I'm gonna call it little cheese. Ngane ehlisa umoya ukulanda ucheese ngesaka kanje. Hayi ulanda ucheese ngesaka kanje. Uyenze lento le. Yabona ucheese lo wawugcina kusayokhampanelwa imayibuye Africa. Bapho Floyd nemkhaba ngazuthi baqhunyela ama-airbag. Hey madoda. Akumokoze nje udla into ezimnandi. Floyd, ukubunela umkhaba ngathi airbag eqhumile. Iphi mayibuye? Nithi ayibuye eGoli asiyiboni leThekwini. Iphi mayibuye? Ne-inform yabangazuthi ukudla konogwathi. Wayibona phi inform enjeyana to inform ezepolitiki? Siyanibuka ngisoniyeka. Ngiyasiniyeka. Imnandi impilo uyidla ngothizo. Mayibuye. Nenzani lapho? Siyanibuka nje thina. Ake nguyeke uthise ngisazowudla. Ngeke nguyeke futhi. Uthole kahle? Yeah, this is Babu Dawit. This is Bawujalo Mfana Mhlenje Kahle Mzala Manqisa ngisolve ukuthi ngixoxe iqala senjalo nje. We need to talk to people. Ake sikhulume into enesense. Into engizoyisho lana ayibhekiswanga kuwena but ngifuna ukuthi as an adult person uyilalele, ungayilalele with emotions but uyilalele nawe razo nawe sister. Ngicela lento ukuthi uyilalele. Kunama sister angama failures. I repeat, kunama sister angama failures kuma parents awo who are on pension, who had retired. How come could you fail those people who has entrusted you so much, educated you. Your parents were there when you get married. Your parents celebrated. They even sent you gifts when you get married. But when you divorce your husband, those gifts, you don't bring it back to your parents. You consume those gifts. You are comfortable about those bottles that you were given. Let's talk. Into engiyifunayo lana, ngifuna siyibuke lento mase wena ke uthatha esakho isinqumo. I repeat, uyayibuka lento bese uthatha esakho isinqumo. I'm not telling you what to do. But ngifuna ukuthi as a person, you are 67 years old, you are 63 years old, you have retired. Already, you have retired, you planned. I-retirement yakho, you planned. Waya enkampanini zokuthi waya enkampanini zokuthi waya enkampanini zokuthi waya walungisa yonke into kahle futhi ekwenzeni kwakho lokho awukhohlwanga ukuya eStandard Bank wokwenza i-retirement plan. Bane retirement plan enhle kabi eStandard Bank, enhle. Believe me, enhle. Bane funeral cover enhle futhi eStandard Bank. Wakwenza konke lokho eStandard Bank, wakuhlela, waku-arrange kahle, wamove imali zakho wazibukela eStandard Bank, wakwenzela i-private banker, imali zakho zimonithwe kahle. Kulungile ke, ake singenekela nakho. Ithi into, you are living with your son. I repeat, you are living with your son. Your son is 45 years old. I repeat, you are living with your son is 45 years old. Last time he got a job, he was 27 years old. He stayed there for like 4 years. Onyaka was 5, a company at Delis. You understand? Well, since he was 33 years old, he's been staying with you for past 8 years. Your son is not about to go anywhere. And he's using one of the rooms. And then the rates are eating on you. Gas is eating on you. Water is eating on you. We have sold your car and you bought a small car with 1.2, 1.3 engine because you're trying to save on fuel because you're a pensioner. And your son has a car as well, of which is 2-liter engine. He likes something big. Your son is not paying rent. For past 8 years, he's staying with you. Kuthini wena as a parent, you're already retired. Now you're babysitting this man, a fully grown man, ehlala nawe. Engekho engacabanga ukuya kwendawo. Yebo uyaphelela umsebenzi, he worked 5 years, isehlale nawe la 8 years. Ngangcono ukuthi usebenze 8 years, usehlale nawe 5 years ekhaya. Usebenze 5 years, usehlala nawe 8 years. Kunezinto abazali ngifuna ukuthi bathathe i-decision bona, babe sober ngayo. Bangabi aggressive, bangabi brutal. Come to your daughter. Ingane yakho ishade kahle kanjani? Ishade nomuntu ofundile. Brian Science. The guy is a manager kamasipala. Wonke ama-library asewadini a-manager yena report again. The guy is good. The guy is good. And it happened in terms of Mhlaba. We are not mentioning why. It happened in terms of Mhlaba. They come to a fall that they decide to divorce because certain things does not gel up the way they wanted. And your daughter has always got 2 children. The firstborn, in her 14 years. The lastborn, in her 8 years. When they divorce, the guy decides to also resign at work and move to abroad. Period. He now is living in overseas countries. Far East Asia where it's cheaper. And now, you as a parent, grandparent of these kids, last born yakhona ifunda a private school. Private school. Le ngane ikhokhelwa ubani? I-first born yakhona ayikwazi ukukhuluma isiTswana. Ayikwazi ukusibhala. Ayikwazi ukukhuluma, ayikwazi ukusibhala. Iyabuya manje isuke eKZN la ihlala khona izohlala wena ukhuluma isiTswana, ubhala isiTswana, ubhala Afrikaans fluently useRustenburg. Le ngane izofunda phi lana? Kufuze ukuthi le ngane ibhode eJohannesburg where izokwazi ukufunda iEnglish. NesiZulu bese sifunda eKZN. At whose expense? Your daughter has misled. Ukulethela ingane ezo2 eyodwa iya boarding school ngo-180,000 per year. Lengane na 14 years. Boarding school izohlala 3 years. Or izohlala 2 years boarding school. 880,000 per year. Lo omncane is a last born. Use private school at 65,000 per year for the next 7 years. Kukuthini kwena? Wena sisi obuya nalo burden uyiletha kubazali bakho. How do you feel? Uzizwa unjani? Uzizwa uyihero? Uzizwa unjani? But I don't cry, but now you are crying. Because we came to a level that we have to use this platform to tell you the truth. That abazali bakho, they were there when you were getting married. Bakunika ama-gift. Ama-gift azaba u-EFT, azaba u-cash. Ama-gift. Umkhwena wakho angawazi. You exhausted all those gifts over a period of your marriage. Now when you come back, you don't even bring a box or an empty container of those gifts. Ukuthi ma wanginika nansi ayinsiya ngayisebenzisa kodwa kulomshado ungidlulile. At least the boxes is already cycle. Kube khona into engifika nayo la endlini. Wena ubuya emshadweni awuphethe ngisho imfado yokusula izitsha zakini lezo zobudla ngazo. Ingane zakho zivuka ngento expensive zonke insuku. Yes ogogo benomkhulu ba afforda. But owazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzobabizanile. Do you know what normally happen? Labo bazali abacindezelwe yinina, ninomfowenu. Nawe obuye nengane ezu2. Divorce. Umkhwena was very smart from the beginning. Wacela umshado ongawahlanganisile amafa. Uhambe nofike nako, nami umkhwena wahamba afike la. Simple as that. Waba very smart umkhwena. Wena yini obuya nayo? Njoba ubuka le video lokuthini kuwena njoba ubuka iTV njengamanje. Njoba ubuka iTV eyi-DStv. Njoba ubuka iWi-Fi iYouTube ngeWi-Fi ungakazi ukhokhe ngisho uTubeBob. Wazi ukuthi iWi-Fi lekhaya ikhokhelwa malini. But you seated comfortable. Uzusho ukuthi osofa beleda obathandi mase ngiba ngingase osofa beleda ngibathandi bangaba nemali ngathenga bendwangu. Uzoxeka osofa bagogo ukuthi obathandi beleda uthanda bendwangu wena ufike nalendlini. Kunento sisiwami okufuza utshengisa ukuthi akunayo ipride ngayo. Akuyona lento abazali abakukhulisela yona. Abazali they spend it money khulu bekhulisa wena. They spend it money bekufundisa uNSFAS kade engakabi khona. Njengoba ungaka 81, 82, 83 awuzange ufunda ngeNSFAS. Ube yindleko zabazali bakho ever. Now uyabuya emshadweni uzohlala nabo for the period that is unknown. Ngiyacela sisi le mistake oyenzile. As from now, lengane ese boarding school next year ibuye. Ukuthi izokwenza njani ukusitswana ngcona ibacklash ikwazi ukuthi ifunde isitswana, ifunde Afrikaans. Ngoba abazali abazokwazi ukufunda ingane from standard 7, standard 8, standard 9, standard 10 befundisela wena ingane ngemistake yakho. Fortunate manje yezo 7 njobe yokwenza u8 ayiphumi. Uyifake la right back. Ifunde isitswana, ifunde Afrikaans. Ngoba le mthwalo othwelisa abazali i-divorce yakho nomkhwena wakho, it is not the fault of your parents. Your parents have been married for 38 years. Not that everything was flat. Kade kubhampi when you refuse ufuna ukushawa ihamp elilodwa. You refused ukushawa just one hump. You said angangiyimele mina lento because kini ukholela ukuthi kini ba right abakho rightela wena. Abazali bakho what I'm telling you now. Within 10 to 12 years they'll exhaust all their funds. They'll become a burden to you, and when they become sick, when uzobe usuthola umsebenzi okhokhela kancane, you will never even have a person ozofika once a week ezoclean indlini just to spring clean for them. But bona they carried you ubuye emshadweni, and now abazali baswele ngisho umuntu ozobenzela iwashing because abasakwazi ukuwasha. Umshini wafa, bakutshela ukuthi umshini wafa. Wathi uma ufile mama manje mina ngathi ngangi-insurance okhanda imshinini. Nami ngixakekile, nami nginey'nkinga zami. Bazali sisenkingeni. Bazali sisenkingeni. Le ngane zethu akwenzeki ngale ndlela. Lo mfana oyinqwaba la endlini uspende eningi imali umfundisi. is a graduate, that is why athola umsebenzi and wenza lento abayenzayo beluthi icompany yamxoxe without references. Ayikho inkampani ezoqasha umfana wakho because akanama references ukuthi wayesebenza phi. Akakwazi ukusebenzisa ama references la ayisenza khona ayenze khona i-looting. And umfana wakho stranded 8 years ehleleka. Ezinye izinto ngiyacela ukuthi lingabi personal, but ake sizibukeni ukuthi njengabazali, do I need ukubona le ngane ezikhulela endlini? Ezami ingane ezikhulela endlini nalezi azikhulele kubo. Uma wakho ngimfundisile mina. Ngamenza wayingane wathola umkhonyana, washada, wenza yonke into. And now usebuya nani la? Nani ufuna nginikhulise? Especially umfana njengoba ena 15 to 16 years. Kwenzekani? We cannot tolerate that anymore. We need to use this platform to ukufaka Eva bese silikhiphe nobuvu. Kuzobuya ne-network la kuwena ukuthi awenzi lento okufisa ukuthi ngabe uyayenza. Siswami njengamanje ufuna ngabe wena uhlele call center usalelwa u8 hours ukuthi uphume uloku ungena ngo6 ema call center kwenziwa o12 hours because ufuna i-overtime. Uphume lapha komama. Uhambe uya kuma suburb uyorenta i-garage roller door. In my house is so large. There are other houses as well that are so large. You can even ask somebody else to rent his or her own garage. Uhlale nengane zakho lezo soku ubone wenza njani and swallow your pride. Ugeze kushower legeza thina njengoba sinale yamizi yethu sine shower egeza garden laba abaklina ngaphandle. Sine shower egeza bona, sine shower egeza lona, sine shower egeza thina ngaphakathi. Now uzogeza lapho. Swallow your pride. Phuma kubazali bakho, uyabacindezela. They've got nothing to do now because when yabona ke nje razo lokhu uqamba amanga ukuthi ufuna ukuzibulala. Yeka nje lokhu uqamba amanga kwezilimi abazali ukuthi usocabanga ukuzibulala, ingicabanga ukuzibulala omana uyazi mina ifalana mina lomuze unamanga, ayikho lento ukuthi uqabanga ukuzibulala. Ingakho ungahambe ebusuku ngoba usabe igebe ukuthi uzokwazi ufe. That is why you don't walk at night, because usabani ukuthi isigebengu zokwazi ufe. And yeka ke lento njengoba uneminyaka 42 uloku usonta njalo uzenza into serious. Uloku usonta njalo because into isonto la ayikho. Because umosha nje upetrol omama ubadrive lapha ayikho ngoba unesikhathi kusonto nosuku ugembula efonini, usuku udlala ama game efoni akho nto ukuthi isonto. Ngalondlela raso. Do what other people do. Angeke ngitshele yonke into, but do what other people do. And ubona lento ukuthi yenzeka. Sukuma raso. Yeah, this is Babu Dr. Voices Bojalo umfana uhlesha khehle umzukulu amancinci zange solo futhi angiqothisa iloku iqala zani kade ngise 19 floor la bengisebenzela khona. Kasuka ngaye 902. Indawo engikuyona 902, believe you me. I-rent engikhokha e902 liyiholo labanye abantu abawu4. I-rent mina ngiyikhokha e902 iholo labanye abantu abawu4 bahola lo mali engirenta lapha. I'm not telling you how much. Lapha sengikwaze ukuthi ke manje ngenze umsebenzi wengilosi. Kunengilosi enhle, kunengilosi evulelekile, kunengilosi yamandla, kunengilosi yeprosperity, kunengilosi yama favors, inengilosi yeprotection. Engikwazi ukuthi ke manje lapha njengoba ngilaphana ke nginendawo yengilosi la engibeka khona. Ethi ifika ihlale khona, ifika iphuze khona, idla usawuti wayo, idla usawuti. Eat salt. Ngiyibekela usawuti lapha, ngiyibekela amanzi. Ngiyibekela usawuti lapha, ngiyibekela amanzi. Abantu abafuna ukusetshenzwa ngale yangilosi, abantu asuke ethi umuntu babudokotela ngingenza noma yini but ungangithwalisi. Isigubhu sengibile naso ngaze ngaxabana nomuntu wayenginikile ngaze ngasiphindisa ngafike ngashiya kwakhe engekho. Uzongithengela ingubo emhlophe legqoka iziyoni noma lefana yamanazathi so call it now. Mina mase ngigqoka eyami emhlophe. Mina ke yami ke ingubo emhlophe it's a kurta legqoka amaSulman because lezi ezithungwayo lezi ezithunga zayiyona ingubo zabaxhaka leziyana. Ayigqoki into 17 mina. Lanto into lento uyayigqoka imisi ikwenza umxhaka usayigqokile ubuthi yabo manje ngusinayi. Yabo manje ke ngusinayi. Yabo ngathi ngiyigqokile le ngubo ngohlanganiswa nengilosi ngongonolwandle ngihlangana nengilosi. Hey bo kuyibona abantu bengishutha bathi umsholo sabo sinayi kanje. Kivuza amanzi kuumxhaka. Ngithi hey bo ngase unyoni ke nje manje. Ephinde igqoke lento lena. Engisho ukuthi Ngineyami ke mina mengigqoka ke iguda. Mase sihambe ke nawe siyolwandle kwingilosi but umuntu lana osukazi ukuthi uzokwenzani hayi umuntu osuke engisanganela la ngisanganela bakudokotela nginamali engaka hayi no ngisangana ngizwani nami ngifuna sihlale phansi nawe unginike ibudget right ungitshela ukuthi ufuna nengilosini yini uyifune ufunani unaso yini isiklabhu yaqala yaqelaza unaso yini isiklabhu ingilosi ifuna isiklabhu ngilosefuna isiklabhu. Yeah, this is Babu Dr. Sizojabula ufana mhleja khehle umzukulu. La asizoyenzela izingane, asizoyenzela izingane. I know you are so emotional. Ubala into eziningi osuzenzile empilweni, but we will release a different power phezu kwakho. Really. Different power phezu kwakho. This is Babu Dr. Ngifuna ukuhlukanisa isikhafulo lesenisakha ngomchamo. Bese ngihlukanise isikhafulo somndiki. Abantu abaningi bebetshelwe ngesikhafulo balindele ukuthi kuzothiwa bakha amanzi olwandle amanzi empophomo bafake iconsi lomchamo phakathi bafake lo muthi bashuze baphuze bakhwife lapho kusuke kusadlalwa lapho kodwa uma sikhipha la umuntu ethi umuntu babudokotela ngiyasicabanga isikhafulo sengibuya kusola umndiki pho uhluke umndiki ihluke kakhulu isikhafulo somndiki into emnandi ngaso uyakwazi ukubhala iphepha with all your wishes. Umusu uthela umndiki lapha phezulu. I repeat. Uyakwazi ukubhala iphepha umusu uthela umndiki lapha phezulu. Umusu uyawushisa umndiki. Umusu uyawuthuma. Umusu uyawushisa umndiki. Umusu uyawuthuma. Isikhafulo yenzeke leyo nto leyo. Besikhuluma isikhafulo sikhuluma nje ngenye into. Yeah, this is Babu Dawudela boys isibojana umfana umhleja khehle lomlungu. Safuna sikhulume nje. Umnando kodwa kube inyanga. Siyabonga mayibuye. Siyabonga Jumping Castle. Floyd. Siyabonga nje kakhulu. You came up with something. Siyeza ukuthi mara lakho kudliwa kamnandi. I will take out this thing now. Siyabonga nje kakhulu. Babu Dawudela awuyeko president wethu ukuthi nomkhaba ngasho iEpic eqhumile iphi yakhe Epic mina ncane sahlala ethekela basifuna ukudla into ezimnandi mina kancane nje ngicabanga ukuthi mesinamaqembu afana noma ibuye sizobona abantu basema hostel beba nemizi sizobona abantu basema hostel beba namageza abafakela amanzi ashisayo sizobona abantu basema hostel beba nama wifi free ngoba siyibona emayibuye it coming as an answer kubantu abahluphekileyo it is coming as an answer kubantu abasebenza izimayini sibona abantu baseMarikana benqeshezelwa whereby the regime recognizes that they made a mistake about injuring so many people. Sibona abantu izwi labantu baseLimpopo liphenduleka. Uma uya eBurgersfort, I repeat, uma uya eBurgersfort, uqhama ngase east uya ngase west. Kunezimayini laphana entshontshwa khona iplatinum. Kunezimayini laphana amazamazama antshontsha iplatinum. Sizobona iphela leyo nto leyo. Iphela lo nto le kunabantu abelindele kakhulu kwiJumping Castle ungaba iJumping Castle into ethandwa abantu uFloyd usengadinwa mesimbiza iJumping Castle uverse iJumping Castle kodwa abantu bayithanda iJumping Castle because iza nenjabulo kubantu mayibuye eAfrika siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nikhona labantu. Why am I raising i-issue yasema hostel? Ayikho iqembu engilibonile lifuna ukusebenza nabantu basema hostel unless lifuna ukubasebenzisa. I repeat, alikho iqembu engilibonile lifuna ukusebenza abantu basema hostel unless lifuna ukubasebenzisa. Ema hostel kunabantu abahlala nemindeni yabo. Ekufuza ukuthi leya mndeni lezangane lezi ziyafunda, funa ngabe kune wifi yamahala ema hostel. Kufuna ukuthi ngabe kune wifi yamahala ema hostel. Kukwazi lezangane ehlala nabazali lapha yana zikwazi ukuthi zidadishe ngendlela eright but akwenzeki. Into efuneka kubantu bama-hostela is to use them during the time of campaign in L shape or model. Siyabonga-ke Jumping Castle ukuthi we are coming with something that abantu engicabanga ukuthi bazoyidinga. Ake sibe serious now. Kulento ophezu kwayo into engifuna ukuthi ngifuna nawe umdala uma ungaka ukuthi lento oyiqale ukuyenza uthi nje ngephasika ngifuna ukwenza ukuthi uyazibona yini ukuthi lento nje ngifuna ukuyikhuluma kahle ngisuse lo doti lento le ngifuna ukuthi ngikhulume kahle yeah kunabantu bebethi hey indoda kunomsebenzi okhona lana kusafuthi sohlangana nosibanibani. Do you know why besho njalo? Because bayazi ukuthi kusibanibani kufuneka imoto eyi4x4. Wena udingeka ngoba we are capable of having that kind of a car. Kuhanje ukuhlangana nalomuntu lona ejike futhi lento ingavuma ukwenzeka. Engisho ukuthi kunezinto ezizokushonisela ilanga, kunezinto ezizokumoshela isikhathi. And isikhathi siyahamba. Uma sihamba isikhathi ungazi ukuthi sizobuya. Isikhathi uma sihamba sibuye. I repeat, isikhathi uma sihamba asibuye. Period. Abantu bakuzokusebenzisa lekushonela ilanga. Sibile nabantu kade sibabiza ngabangani bethu. But we learned late, we noticed late, very late ukuthi we are exhausting time le. We are exhausting time, not exhaust. Ngosiyamkhulwana labantu ke manje ni. Exhausting time, wasting time, killing time. Uyazi mina ngingubaba udokotela, I'm not bragging, but I have to be telling you the truth. I'm 53 years old. September 15, I'll be 54 years old. But when I was 33 years old, I had somebody working for me. When I was 33 years old, I was already paying wages to somebody else. I can't understand in London. When I was 33 years old, I was respected. I sang respect when I was 33 years old. Listen to when I was understand. I don't know what will make you understand. When I was 35 years old, I had an opportunity to purchase a house, the way I wanted. 35 years old, I had 2 houses. Anginemize u2 nengane ezu2 nonkosikazi oyedwa. Angazi lokho ufundani kuloke ngikushoyo. When I was 33 years old, nganginomuntu ongisebenzelayo. When I was 35 years old, I had 2 houses and 2 kids. 35 years old. When ukuphi nje ngamanje kulento le. Kuvuka amabhano udlala lebhano, kuvuka lebhano udlala lebhano. Kuvuka leqembu lezepolitiki ungena leqembu lezepolitiki uxeka lela kade ukulona in order for you to be recognized. Siyazi thina ukuthi MK uprojectwe yini. Yile qembu uphuma kulona ukhuluma imfihlo zabo abathuka in public. Yakuthemba MK yakudeploy. Yakuthemba MK yakudeploy because of what you did to your former bosses. Angizange ngithuka umuntu. And I was growing, I was holding a corporate ladder on my own. Ngizibambele istephiso. Ikhuphuka istephiso esodwa nesodwa. Lezi zinto ngizofuna ukuthi uzazi ukuthi angazi wena ukuthi wenzani. Lena ufuna uyitshela mina ukuthi yeke ngoba kunento ohleli phezukwayo that is not going to warrant you anything. When I was 50 years old, 40 years old, 33 years old, within 7 years, I had R1 million. Within 7 years, I had R1 million. When I was 40 years, I touched R1 million. When I was 50 years old, I had trips to overseas countries. When I was 50 years old, Benglala Mnago JWM Marriott Hotel, fully 5-star hotel, fully 5-star. JWM Marriott, it's a fully 5-star hotel. That is where I wow. Kanti ngiyabona mekhuluma nge5 star hotel akukhuluma ngentombi yakho la uhlukene nayo. Besikhuluma nge5 star hotel sikhuluma ngehotela nongazi ucabanga. Ihotela eli full house. Mesithi full house, it's a hotel that has a bed that you can sleep alone. Not with a bed that inizolala khona nezimbungulu. That you can sleep alone without ticks and amazenzi. Ulale wedwa. There are beds where you sleep with mosquitoes. But when it's a 5-star hotel, there is a fridge there. You got no idea. They leave you with a bar fridge, not a mini fridge, a bar fridge. There are all sorts of beverages and snacks that you are allowed to consume. That is a fully 5-star hotel. There is a gown, 2 gowns for you. Kunalento enigqokayo la ngasisingisa ngisazi mina. Ophaqa la benihamba ngama slippers anihamba ngayo endlini. They got 2 pairs because of your sizes. I understand. Bakubekela isixubo, bakubekela umuthi wokuxubha that is brand new. That is a fully 5-star hotel. Akuzokwenzeka kule lifestyle yotshwala kuyona. Akuzokwenzeka kule lifestyle yakho yama tattoos nokuboshwa njalo. Akuzokwenzeka lento yakho hamba uhleba ngamagama abantu, urecord abantu, uscreenshot abantu, ushoot abantu bebe sebunandini, ushoot abantu bebe gijima, uthi uzobafaka amathikithi. Ngiyakutshela. Lento uyobuya noparabellum unike ingane zakho. When you reach 50 years, you'll carry your parabellum. Uyonike ingane zakho uthi hayi mina ngathi babefethu mebephanta ke ngibashutha mina ngiqoka labo parabellum. Kangiqoka labo parabellum. Engisho ukuthi kunezinto ngempela kuwena it sounds like an insult. Ukuthi a person ofunde naye esenzwe sihle is seated here. Ngifunde nawe eswenze sihle. Today umxhaka uyi-comedian, u17 uholelwa mekuthanda bona. Usinayi, yabo. Sibambe nawe inombolo eyigebengu emazwendoda. Wakhanya ngokungale. Emqanjela wafunda ispeleti ukuthi ugrey ufundwa kanje, uwhiteboard ufundwa. Thina sinabantu eshizile nabo emqanjelo. Tuzuma LP school. Sakhandwa ngeqiniso, sakhandwa ngesiyalo. Namhlanje simi kanje. Siphethe into zethu. Bahamba bo17 bofunda esondelani sathi thina siyakhanya. Asiye esondelani thina. Bahamba bofunda eGugulethu sathi thina siyakhanya. Asiye eGugulethu. Siyaqethuka manje. Engisho ukuthi namhlanje ngingubaba udokotela, I have traveled 8 countries. Phambi kwakho wena wenza lutho. All you do ugxeka abantu abapromote abakhulayo. Uhesitate yonke into. Udawutha yonke into. Uhesitate yonke into and udawutha yonke into. Listen to me carefully. Flying Qatar Airline, it's not for everybody. Believe you me, it's not for everybody. Rubbing shoulders with Qatarians, those Arabs are very rich. They own what you never see in Africa, especially in South Africa. Having breakfast in the sky, it's not for everybody. Abantu abaningi bahamba ngesitimela, badla umoba lapha esitimeleni. Badla amakinati lapha esitimeleni. This is Baba Udokotela. Sibamba uGrey. Sibamba ilokishi. Sibamba uGrey. Sikhule ngelokishi. Lalela, ngifuna ukuthi ngikubeke empilweni. Mhlazana ufika lapha uthi Baba Udokotela you make me. Baba Udokotela ngaze ngibambe inkunzi. Baba Udokotela ngaze ngibambe imoto emali. Baba Udokotela ngaze ngimbulala umuntu with the intention to make money, ngikhokhelwe ngegazi lakhe. Kodwa Baba Udokotela ngihambe ngeqiniso. Bengifunda i-special book. Bengifunda i-special book. We never promote crime, but we have to tell you the truth. Akuyona lento yenzayo raso. This is Baba Udokotela. La ngifuna ukukunika umsebenzi. Only if you can able to get me a T-bone steak. Inyama yenkomo ayibe nethambo. Mase ngikunika lo msebenzi lona. Lo msebenzi uma usuyidla lenyama uzohlala phansi on the floor. I repeat, uma usuyidla lenyama uzohlala phansi on the floor. Udle lenyama ucophoze kulomuthi. Mase kusala ithambo. Kuleli thambo uzokwenza imeditation, kusho ukuthi ukhulume ngenhliziyo ucimezile. Uma usuthatha le thambo uyolibeka endleleni ehamba abantu ababhizi. Le ndlela afuna zibe u4 1 2 3 4 ezingefani. Once a week uyobeka lapha ya once a week uyobeka lapha ya, once a week uyobeka lapha. Sifuna indlela not elokishini elilodwa, endaweni ezahlukene. Lento bazoyeqa abantu kodwa izokuvuma wena. Uma sekwenzeka zonke into ziwela wena. Uma into abazidilika zidilikela wena. Yonke into yenzekela wena. Okuhle kuza kuwena because kusuke sekusefiwe lapha. Okumbi kudliwa yinja ngoba egcineni la thambo uzodliwa yinja. Lela thambo lela lizodliwa yinja egcineni. Alizuhlala kuze kushona ilanga, lela thambo egcineni lizodliwa yinja. Umuntu lona esuke simsiza with a good intention. Engisho ukuthi this is Babu Dotela babesizibojabulile. Sifuna ukukhulisa but ungathathanga isithwalo. Ngitholele ithambo lenja, ithambo lenkomo, nyama yenkomo, is a T-bone steak, uyayiroaster, usawuti nama spice wafake. Uma usuyidla, you sit on the floor. Not ubeka into phansi, awuhlala ocansini, awuhlala ethawuleni, you sit on the floor and you eat it. And make your intentions. This is Babu Dotela babesizibojabulile nomfana omhlanje kahle umzulu amancinci ngisolongxezi. This is my email address isithwalo@gmail.com. Abantu abaningi I learned they watch our videos without even subscribing. Just subscribe to the channel so that ama video angena uzowabona. Thank you very much. This is Babu Dotela. Goodbye.